giving the big Marklin a run. Haven't used it for a while. I had a leak on the water gauge, so I haven't used it for a while. But I've just gassing it up now. So I'm on the big Bix. There's a huge boiler on this one. It still looks like I've got a little bit of a drip from this tap. But it might be just a case of tightening it up. That's probably just a case of tightening it up. That's just that. But this one is a beast. It's a beast. Absolutely huge. Takes a long time to get the pressure up on this. I could do a pressure gauge. What I might do, I might take that off. It's only a drain. I might take that off and put a pressure gauge on there, because I like to know where I am with the pressure. I've got a couple of machines coming, and I think one of them might have been a Marklin. They were damaged, but I bought them for spares, because they had pressure gauges and taps and all the rest of it. So I bought them for spares. So hopefully I'll get a pressure gauge can fit on this, because then I know where I am. At the moment, I don't know where I am with the pressure. But this is probably one of the definitely one of the biggest models I got. It's got the biggest flywheel out of everything, apart from that Edgar Westbury model what I'm going to be restoring. But that's a different kettle of fish. So I've got that mix set how it should be. To be honest, when it's all orangey flamey, I seem to get it to boil quicker. When you get it running, get the Bix running how it's supposed to be running, it seems to boil slower. No pressure there. No pressure there. Right, because it's going to be a while getting this pressure up, I'll switch it off for a sec and then come back when the pressure's up a bit better. Right, I think we have a bit of pressure now. Let's close that. Open that. See how we get on. Oh yes. Oh. Well, it's not ideal, is it? Put that on there. A little, until it gets going. Come on, girl. There she goes. The biggie, this one. Seems to leak a bit at the beginning, and as it gets going, it sort of settles down. Yeah, she's a beast, this one. I'll put this little pot on there, look. It's not very elegant, but it keeps it tidy. Runs beautifully. Well, if you like this sort of thing, about 2 weeks time I've got something special coming. Very special. Not saying too much now, but it's going to take time to get here. But if you like these type of models, especially special big ones, I've got one coming. Could even be 3 weeks, but there's one on the way. Anyway, I think I've achieved my objective today. No leaks. No leaks. I need a little handle for that. I haven't used it for a while because this was leaking quite bad. I haven't connected that up yet. So this was off another model, but it is the same generator as used on this model, and I've been reluctant to screw holes in to bolt it down. But it is you could buy this model with or without that generator, and that is the exact generator. So if I did screw the holes and put it down, it wouldn't be wrong. It's the correct one, and that's how they were fixed. The same as that's fixed to, you know. Can't remember if that goes the other way as well. Yeah, look at that. Slip eccentric. That's right. Forgot. Can't see it. Yeah, slip eccentric. So runs both ways. Let's try and get it museum speed. It will run super slow, look. That's a bit too slow really. But it just shows you, it will run. I think that always seems to be the telltale if an engine's good. Because they'll all run fast. But if they run slow, it normally means the engine's in good condition. I'll have to connect that water pump up and see if to test that out, because I know the tap works. That's the tap. I'm going to turn that gas off now, I think. It's only a short one. What a lovely machine. I didn't do too much to it when I got it, to be honest. I cleaned it down. I haven't painted it. I left this one as what I say, you know, it's aged. It's aged. It wasn't bad. Everything, it was in pretty good condition. The base is best base I've had for a long time. It runs lovely. I need to make one of these up a bit more neater than that, but that works. This is the original condensation tray, and I've also got the original jug that came with it for. So I haven't got a funnel, but I've got loads of little funnels. So I'd imagine one of them would probably do it. Loads of little funnels from different models I've had. A couple there, look. I've been working on Mini today. And this is just end of day steam. Yeah, but I'm pleased I managed to solve all the leaks, because now I can use it more. Every time I think about getting it out, I thought, oh no, I've got to sort that leak out first. Plenty of size of that boiler. It's huge. I think it's about 24 centimetres by 9. Yeah, it's a big one. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Special one coming in 2 or 3 weeks' time. Something really special. Not that this ain't. This is special at all. Anyway, that's it for now. Cheers, guys.